So this is the Hanuman Bhakta Kovil or temple in Sri Lanka, and but 1.5 hours from Kandy, right in the mountains. And this is where Lord Hanuman rested while he was searching for Mother Sita. I mean, look at the beauty, how beautiful is surrounded by mountains. And this is established by Shri Chimna Mission. So it's a beautiful temple, and it closes at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then it opens in the evening. So if you are coming here, just check the timings. And there's a beautiful deity of Hanuman. It's amazing. I've not seen that kind of a deity anywhere else. It's so beautiful. So I'm really blessed to be here. And today is Tuesday also, so feeling equally blessed. So if you do ever come here, visit this area, come and visit Lord Hanuman's beautiful temple and pay your respects. It's quite amazing. Jai Hanuman. Jai Siya Ram.